Hey guys, this is Jared. I received this product to review. This is a 2-pack ones that can be hung up on your wall. They're rechargeable and they should look really nice. They're black and they are pretty easy to put together per the instructions. So I'm hoping to put them up right here. Inside the box right now we've got the instruction manual. And then we also have the individual wall sconces themselves. What I like about this is that it is rechargeable, so that's going to make it so easy to use. It comes with the wireless remote as well. Okay, now that I have the batteries, let's just pop these right in. So just 2 AAA batteries with the back in. And there you go, it looks so good. So you can change the color of it by pressing on the remote. You can make it brighter or darker, depending upon how much you want to make it brighter or darker. You can set the timer function on this as well. And then of course, if you want to just turn it off, you can. But overall, I like this a lot. I would highly recommend this.